Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Sam here, and today I have an unboxing video for you guys. I am so incredibly excited. There's a story behind what I'm about to show you, but I will tell it to you guys at the end because I know you're here just to see what is inside this big brown box. So if you want to see what I picked up, then let's just go ahead and get started. You guys, this box came a little damaged. I'm hoping that the purse is okay, but I literally just got this box in the mail maybe 20 minutes ago. I wanted to sit down and film a video for you guys. I'm really excited to finally have this bag. I've kind of gone through a lot to get it. Not a lot, I didn't try really hard, but like I said, I'll talk about it later. So yes, before I poke my eye out, let's just open it up, shall we? Oh, and if I didn't mention already, this is from Fashionphile. I did the layaway program, and so yes. Alright, so I'm going to try and show you, but like I said, this box is pretty big, it's going to be hard to show you. So, when I open it up like so, you see this, just a little tissue guy. I have my Fashionphile nail file, I always use those, my little thank you card, my receipt and everything. I always forget to look inside these. I'm always hoping that there's like a sticker. I think that'd be kind of cool. So it has my receipt, Fashionphile certified, saying that it is a authentic item, and then a little thing saying that we want your bag back, so they'll purchase it. Shop, sell, repeat, all that hoo-nanny. Alright, so let's flip this the right way without getting box cuts. Okay, so it says use this in new. Alright, so let me just, I'm going to set this down because let's be real here. All the tissues. Alright, so I'm not sure if this comes with a dust bag. It's a, hold on. It's real dust bag, but we'll see. Alright, so we have it in the lovely Fashionphile dust bag here. Pretty excited, you guys. Alright, to reveal my new Celine Micro. And oh my gosh, let me take a second to look at this, you guys. It is beautiful. So while I'm going to tell you a little bit of the story on how I found this bag and everything while I look it over, but basically you may have seen the video. There was another YouTuber that had purchased this. I'm not going to say who. Basically she purchased it and showed it on her video, and I instantly fell in love. Let me show you real quick. Just the front of it. But anyway, I instantly fell in love with it. And apparently she found another bag that she really loved. Whatever. So she decided that she was going to return it, and she kind of mentioned something on Instagram saying that if anyone wanted it before she sent it out, let her know. And I did. I reached out to her. She was gonna she was selling it for a little bit over what Fashionphile was, only because she had to pay tax and whatever. And I was like, I'll just take my chances with Fashionphile because I don't have to pay tax. I don't live in California. So I would get it for the asking price that Fashionphile was asking for it. So I decided to take my chance, and I was waiting and checking online every day for it to be posted, and it was finally posted, and I was like, okay, because I needed to put it on layaway. I just didn't have the funds, all of the funds saved for it, so I had to wait for layaway. So as the days were going past and it was getting closer to layaway, somebody bought it. And I was like, oh, like super sad and heartbroken, but that was my chance. I lost it. And then I don't know what happened. They got it. They didn't fulfill their payment plan or what, but it was returned and it was back on Fashionphile again. So I got my chance. It went to layaway. I got it. And I don't know, I was like so thrilled. I got it, and I made obviously my oh, it's so beautiful. I can't stop looking at it. My layaway, and now here she is. So okay, I know I already showed you the front, but I'm really excited, so hold on, just bear with me, you guys. Okay, here's the front again. What I really like about this is it has the smooth leather here with the pebbled leather on the inside, and then it has gold, where is it, the gold hardware, or gold what is this called here, gold hot stamping for Celine. And then the feet and all the hardware on the bag are gold as well, which is really interesting because it is the two-tone. I think that's why they did it, because normally it's like the silver hardware. So yeah. Okay, so it said it was in excellent condition, and it definitely is. It said there were some scuffs and stuff, which I did notice down at the bottom. You guys probably won't be able to tell if it focuses. Well, anyway, there's the bottom though. It's really nice. And the back is in great shape. This color is just beautiful, and I loved the smooth with the pebbled. I think it's stunning. Yeah. Okay, so now let's look on the inside. Let's see. The tags, it just says comes with dust bag. Cool. So, oh yeah, the dust bag's on the inside. I'm so excited to finally have a micro in my collection, you guys. You know I had the mini, a black one a while back, and then I bought the nano. And okay, so here's the dust bag. Just a nice big Celine dust bag. All right, so I'm really excited to have this size, because I felt like the mini was a little big for what I wanted. Nice air paper. All right, hope you guys probably won't be able to see, but hopefully you can. The inside is all leather. There is that pocket, and then on the front there are two little slip pockets right there. Oh my god, you guys, I am so excited to have this. I love the color. It's so pretty. It's gonna be perfect for fall. It's a very fall wintry bag, but I think I can pull it off in the summer, especially if I wear it like at night. I don't know, we'll see, but I am just so incredibly happy that I have it. It is so beautiful. I literally can't stop looking at it. It's so pretty. What do you guys think of my new bag? I'm great, you guys. Are you ready? Uh-oh. Come on, scissors. I did it! It's mine! I'm keeping it. I'm so excited, you guys. Yay! So I hope you enjoyed this unboxing with me. I definitely did. I'm so incredibly excited to finally have a micro in my collection, and such a beautiful, unique one at that. So if you guys have any comments or questions, please leave them down below, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.